Runway 6 for departure, please.
Fire at gate 6.
Explorer now departing from gate
Fire at gate 6.
Now departing Lunar Space Station.
哇，前面的车也会转，
There
对
are
不对？
many legends about the composition of the moon, and I have to tell you, it's not made of cheese. We believe that eons ago, a planet collided with Earth, and a huge fragment broke off to form what you see before you. In fact, the lunar landscape is an enormous dead rock, devoid of air and water. As the moon rotates as it goes around the Earth, we can never see the other side of this
对
satellite.
啊，像我们像太空人一样进太空站啊，太空人进太空站都是坐这个圆圆的车子啊，哇，超酷
We
的
will be traveling towards the sun, almost at the speed of light. But don't worry, please stay in your seat and touch nothing.
Attention Explorer, 20 seconds to launch.
哦，还有
10
20秒
seconds.
，20秒就到了，
9, 8,
8、
7,
9、
6,
6、
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boosters go.
We are now picking up
Wow,
speed in the hyperdrive
在
tunnel.
星星，
It's
上面都是星
dangerous to
星，
accelerate so
好
quickly,
多星星
but
哦，
its
那看
core
上面好
is
多星
designed
星，
to
外面
resist
都
gravitational
是
pull
星星
and
啊，对，好
radiation.
多星星哦。
Soon we'll arrive at the only star in our solar system, the sun.
它 solar system，它在太阳系里面。哦，我们要看到太阳
The Earth
哦。
can literally fit into the sun 1.3 million times. Because the sun is composed almost entirely of hydrogen gas, it glows like
这
a
是太
furnace.
阳，
The
当然那个就是
granules
热
are
热的
formed
太
by
阳。
rising heat currents.
我们在
And the
太阳
sunspots are
旁边。
located on the cooler part of the surface, where the magnetic field blocks the gas from surging into the galaxy. The red flare glowing on the edge is the solar prominence. That was close.
哦，那
Let's
刚才
get
那
out
是
of
太阳，
here.
刚才那是太阳。对，刚才那个橘色的。现在看到谁？
We just passed Mercury, the closest planet to the sun.
Okay.
It's extremely hot, but the hottest planet in the solar system actually is the second one, Venus. She has lots of volcanoes, and her thick atmosphere loaded with clouds of carbon dioxide and sulfuric acid creates the perfect greenhouse effect, almost like a giant oven. Look, a comet. That's lucky.
那
Let's
个
steer
彗
into
星
its tail.
comet，彗星。
Comets are part ice, part gas, with dust and rock fragments thrown in. That wonderful tail is created by the solar wind. When a comet gets too close to the sun, it will fragment or even self-destruct.
Attention, comet on port bow.
The
Prepare
sun's
for
heat and the
ice
vacuum of
particle
space
impact.
create geysers and can even change the course of the comet.
Hyperdrive activated.
Amazing! Mars appears red in color because of the high concentration of iron oxide in the rocks. There's water on Mars too, but whether life exists or not is still a mystery. And that is the mouth of this
那个
volcano,
火
which
星
is
Mars，
3 times higher
火星
than our own Mount
火
Everest.
星。
Sweeping past the 2 potato-like satellites of Mars, we see the polar cap of Mars. It shrinks and expands during Earth-like seasons. Interesting.
Series
哇，好多！你最近看外面的，好多好像
We are
石
now
头，对不
passing
对？
through the asteroid belt. The gravitational pull of Jupiter prevents large
对啊，
quantities
石头
of
在
matter
转
from
哎，
solidifying. With nowhere else to
它是
go,
陨
this
石
matter has
啊，
forever been trapped between Mars
就
and
那种太
Jupiter
空
to
船不
form
能
the
撞到
asteroid
陨
belt.
石，
The size and shape
撞
of
到陨石
asteroids
我们
vary
就
a
砰
lot.
爆炸了。
Hey, listen.
warning 就是小心小心，陨石来了 warning。
hyperdrive activated.
An excellent test of our radar's REV3X anti-collision
对
program.
啊，我们要回去那个，拜拜陨石区。
Other systems
哇，转圈圈转圈圈，好多星星哦，我们在陨石旁
We've
边。
made it to Jupiter.
哇
This giant planet is 1,300 times bigger than Earth. Charged particles in Jupiter's magnetosphere knock ions out of the volcanic plumes from its satellite Io to form the brilliant huge ring called plasma torus. See that great red spot? Actually, it's a huge storm. And this is Jupiter's satellite Europa, which is wrapped in a thick layer of ice. Look,
detected on Europa. Adjusting course.
amazing! We are witnessing a total solar
Wow,
eclipse
look at that.
generated by Jupiter's fourth satellite, Callisto.
Jupiter
Strong
星球叫
attractive
Jupiter。
force exerted by anomaly. Initiating
到
anti-gravity.
了，快到了，快到
Europa
了。
is quite beautiful, isn't it? We are now looking at the smoothest body in the solar system, a moon encased in ice and rock. Believe it or not, the ridges and fissures in the ice field are formed by the tides.
我是住哪里？
Whoa,
Well,
a stargate! This could propel us to anywhere in the universe.
哇，我们到太空站了。哦，看外星人，姐姐可以站站看。外星人，有看到？外星
Our
人。
system is searching for pulsars, beacons that help us find our bearings in deepest
Red
space.
supergiant star.
它不会
As I
进
thought,
来。
we've just crossed the Milky Way galaxy and arrived at a rocky satellite light years away.
外星人。
Sophia. Welcome, Earthlings. I am in command. We have a red supergiant ready to explode into a supernova.
哦，外星人，看看看看上面，
Do not
外
be
星人
alarmed.，
外星人。
Closely monitoring the situation. and
对呀、
are ready to
假的、啊，
evacuate.
不会咬的。
不会咬人，对。
We will modify your craft and
I am
download the
waiting.
necessary data
Yeah.
and navigation charts to your system.
Here looks
哦，他
like
在做实验。
in fact,
Yeah, I
stars are also
have-
born.
这个
And
这
they
也是
age
外星人。
and die. Before
外星
finally
人长在里面就会
a
长
star
大。
grows to massive
听说是这样啊。
proportions, known as a red giant. As fuel diminishes, the nucleus of a star shrinks. It then explodes into a supernova, a magnificent spectacle brighter
Oh,
than a
外星人在看
billion
你。
suns. Isn't
很
it?
像那个章鱼的外星人。
Countdown to
怎么
evacuation.
干的？
10,
啊，这是外星人的基地呀、他们要把人类抓去外星人研究，说为什么人是这样子的啊？
1.
就是在我们地球外面还有住别的人，叫外星人。
New location. Milky Way galaxy near Orion
That was
Nebula.
close. Having experienced the death of a star, we are lucky to see the birth of new ones. Over billions of years, gravitational forces draw stellar
Yeah,
gases
we
and
are
dust
going
clouds
to
together
the
to form clusters of dense nebulas, which continue to collapse, forming
Yeah,
protostars. When their nuclear
You want
reactions become stable, these protostars will become proper stars.
Location report. Below the galactic
Look,
disk.
there's home.
10,000 light
Our
years.
galactic system, the Milky Way, is spiral in
Strong
shape.
attraction force
Our
with
solar
anomaly.
system is situated in one of its
Intense
main
X-ray and
spiral
gamma
arteries,
radiation
about 30,000 light years away from the galactic
这
center.
个这个
Oh
是
no,
那个
I think
人
we're
卫
being
星
sucked into a
吗？
black hole.
卫星。
Don't panic.
哦，
We'll
这
get
是我
through
们
it
前面的
thanks
车
to our
子，有没有？我们要到家
hyperspace
喽
bubble.。You know, a black hole is just a stellar body developed after the extinction of a star. Whoa!
Hyperspace bubble
后面还有
function.
后面还有一台车。
The
哦，这个转
gravitational
去。
force here continues to accumulate at a central point with zero volume but infinite density, known as
快到家
singularity.
了。
From a certain distance to the singularity, all matter,
他说：“哇，
including
我们
light,
现在变成
will
一
be
个
powerless to escape from it.
备受干扰的太空船，我们现在在转在太空中。
Initiating search for known pulsars. New location. Mars.
我们到家了。Over Mars。
都在里面嘛。
是好像又到火星了。我们现在在这边，我们现在的位置在这边。
Attention Explorer. Unknown life forms and biological materials detected on your ship. We will remove all residents
看外面还有外星人。
Decontamination in progress.
外星人要来找你了。
外星人来了。
I think that's
很像
enough
章鱼
cosmic
哦。
adventure for one day.
Decontamination.
Thanks for joining us on this trip,
到家
and
了
see you again in the not too distant future.
哇，好棒哦，这个好好玩。
我觉得不好玩。
因为你给他按到英文了，你。